What's up, guys? Just about to leave the house. I gotta go pick up my number because tomorrow I'm running the Father's Day Fairhaven 5K race. So yeah, I'm already registered. I registered in advance. So I just gotta go pick up my number, and then after that I'm gonna go hit the gym. So I'm gonna drink up my pre-workout, and then I don't think I'm not gonna film this gym session because, for one, I don't have a tripod, and two, my cousin's not rolling with me today, so yeah, I won't be filming this workout. But today I'm going to be having a refeed day, and I'll show you the foods that I eat, so stay tuned.
Drop it.
Damn, these midnight sunglasses are pretty tight. What do you guys think? Let me know once you pick yours up. Alright guys, so I just got my number 956. I also got a mug and a t-shirt. Check it out. Pretty cool. So yeah, got everything for tomorrow, and now I'm off to the gym. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I'm just gonna do a voiceover in the grocery store. So I'm here, I'm just talking about what I do on refeed days. Basically, I bring my carbs up to about 550 to 600 for the day. Protein set to about 1 gram per pound of body weight, and fats as low as possible. So right here, the rolled gold pretzels that I usually get, and I'm showing you the macros. 1 gram of fat, 24 grams of carbs, and only 3 grams of protein. Next was some honeycomb, and actually a subscriber told me to try out the strawberry, so I did pick those up, and I do try them out, as you'll see in the video. Next, to get shredded, you gotta eat shredded hash browns. Not just kidding, but these are great. They got awesome macros, 0 fat, 16 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of protein per serving. Super good. Next was some bagels, French toast. These are really good, and only 1.5 grams of fat, 50 grams of carbs, and 9 grams of protein per bagel. And then for protein sources, I usually go with some egg whites or these egg beaters. 0 fat, 1 gram of carb, and 5 grams of protein. Next, some 0% Greek yogurt, 0 fat, 9 grams of carbs, and 23 grams of protein. Alright guys, I'm just leaving the grocery store now. I just got a couple things for today's refeed day, and I just wanted to show you guys the foods that I choose. And so yeah, I'll check in when I get home. Alright, peace. Alright guys, I'm about to have my first meal on this refeed day, and the time is currently 5:45 p.m. and what I got here is 3 French toast bagels with 6 servings of egg beaters. So I'm going to enjoy this and show you what I eat next. And it's just a little bit of sugar-free ketchup. next, I don't even know what to call it, next carb snack, I guess, is 270 grams of sweet potato with 10 grams of cocoa powder and 5 grams of vanilla Cajun mixed up for the chocolate sauce. Super good. And the time is 5:58 p.m. So I'm going to enjoy this and show you what's next. So yeah, I know I eat this sweet potato a lot with the cocoa powder, but it's seriously so good. It's like dessert. So yeah, you guys should definitely give it a try. I mean, even on my high carb days when, you know, I'm able to eat pretty much any carb that I want, if it's high or low or satisfying or not satisfying, I just still love eating sweet potatoes. Super good with chocolate or peanut butter or cinnamon, whatever, I don't know. And white sweet potato, by the way, they are the shit. Definitely try it out. Alright guys, so next we got another bread, and this is 150 grams of pancake mix, 100 grams of banana, 15 grams of vanilla Cajun, 12 grams of sugar-free, fat-free Jello pudding mix, the white chocolate flavor. So it's like basically like a white chocolate banana bread. I can't wait to eat this. It's going to be super good. And the time is 6:13 p.m. So I'm going to eat this up and see what carbs I choose next. Alright, stay tuned. Oh yeah. Sorry guys, I just had to show another close-up. These come out super good. You should definitely try to make it nice and soft. Yeah, I think I'll make a full recipe video on how to make my breads, because I got a few of you guys asking. So yeah, be on the lookout for that too. Damn, that's good. Alright guys, just crushed that bread too. It was super good. The time now is 6:54 p.m. And yeah, I got these today at the grocery store because one of my subscribers had left a comment, you know, telling me to try out the strawberry ones. The comment is actually, it was from Full Day of Eating number 5, and the comment was, honeycomb strawberry, man, you need to try it, game changer. So you ask and you shall receive. So I got some of these honeycomb, and pretty damn good. So what I'm going to do is, inside the bowl I have 250 grams of Greek yogurt with 8 grams of the vanilla sugar-free, fat-free pudding Jello mix in there. So it makes it kind of thicker and less watery. And I'm going to take 3 servings of this honeycomb cereal and mix it up in here, which I'll probably do like 1 serving at a time because the bowl's not that big. So I'll actually weigh out a serving now. 1 serving is 32 grams. There we go. So I'm gonna do that 2 more times and enjoy this. I will put the macros on the screen. Put down to 31. I'm really just kidding, I'm not that dead serious, but there you go. 32. So I'll put the macros on the screen and I will show you what I get into next. Alright guys, and to finish off this refeed day, I have 100 grams of cream of rice, 1 cookies and cream skinny cow, and 1.5 servings of low-fat cottage cheese. Here are my totals for the day. 576 grams of carbs, 161 grams of protein, and 17 grams of fat. Alright guys, so now that my food is done, time to take my sups. And I got multivitamin, fish oil, magnesium, vitamin C, zinc, and D. And you can get all these at polykungroup.com and also save 10% with my discount code NICD10. So yeah, check them out guys. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my full day of eating. Refeed edition, I guess. So yeah, those are the types of carbs that I eat on my refeed days. I usually set my carbs around like 550 to 600 on the refeed days, and protein is usually 160 to 180. That's like the minimum that I'll take in for protein. I don't really go any lower than 160, but still on the daily I'm at like 200, but I think I'm gonna bring that down a little bit since, you know, I'm not dieting anymore and I'm in a slight surplus, I want to say, or just kind of creeping around maintenance. Like my weight will kind of go up a little and come back down. It's, you know, as I keep adding calories in, like yeah, I've been getting leaner, so it's pretty crazy. But yeah, I mean, that's what reverse dieting is, and weight's not going up too much, but yeah, I mean, I'm just going to keep it going, and I'm curious to see what my weight's going to be tomorrow after this refeed. Probably lower than this morning, but yeah, that's just how it works, the thermogenesis of carbs and all that. So yeah, it's 8:22 p.m. right now, and I'm going to go to bed. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.